Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Reflect Mini NC wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason, whether they're not connecting to your phone or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you decide to just get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a new set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for any random reason, whatever reason you might have to want to delete all the pairing history off of them, delete all the settings off of them, so you can set these up basically like they're new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is we want to have these earbuds out of the box, out of the charging case, so they're not charging. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come in and we're going to tap on the back button on the earbuds. And we're going to do that 3 times, but on the third one we're going to hold for a couple seconds. So it's going to look like this. Tap, tap, hold for a couple of seconds. And when we do that tap, tap, hold for a couple of seconds, it will reset to its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set these earbuds up basically like they're new coming out of the box.